Hi, I'm Greg Sandler at Sandler Law Group. I'm really excited about the launch of a new website for my practice that you can find at sandlerlaw.net. And I've put this website together to give you information so that you can be better prepared to protect yourself or your family members if you or they suffer an injury through the carelessness of another. I'm also excited that we have created a page on the website that is devoted to our local biker community. You'll be able to find links to organizations and clubs in our area. You'll find links to local biker-friendly businesses, and I've provided a place for those who are involved in the many charitable rides sponsored by our local biker community to post your information flyers so the word can get out. It is a true pleasure and honor to serve and be a part of our local community. And always remember, when they don't see you, make sure you see us.